Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. Here we have this is nice algebraic expression 16 to the power of 6 minus 16 to the power of 5, and we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. But here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. This means that we need to do all of the working on this paper. So here first we focus on the base of these terms, and you see that the base of these terms is 16, and we know about that 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16. So we replace 16 is equals to 2 to the power of 4, and we write it as 2 to the power of 4, and its whole exponent is 6 minus. This will be written as 2 to the power of 4, and its whole exponent is 5. And now we use another exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. So according to this rule, we just multiply both of these two exponents, and we obtain here 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 6 becomes 24, minus this is 2 to the power of 4 times 5 becomes here 20. And in the next step, we again break this exponent as in this form. We write this 24 as 2 to the power of 20 plus 4, minus we write this term as 2 to the power of 20. And further we use the nice exponential law here. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m plus n, this is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. According to this exponential rule, we break both of these two exponents as in this form. First we have 2 to the power of 20 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4, minus this is 2 to the power of 20. And now in the next step, you see that both of these two terms involve 2 to the power of 20, so that we will be take common 2 to the power of 20 from here. And when we take common 2 to the power of 20, we get the remaining values are, from here we get 2 to the power of 4, minus from here we get 1 only. And now in the start of the problem, we will take here 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16. So we back substitute this value, and we get here 2 to the power of 20 times 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16 minus 1. And now in the next step we have, we break this 20 as in the form of 2 multiplied by 10 into 16 minus 1 becomes here 15. So in the next step, we just again use this nice rule here, and here we use from right hand side to the left hand side, because we have in exponent we have these two terms are multiplied by each other. So here we move 10 inside the term, and we get the remaining values are 2 to the power of 10 and its whole square, and it is multiplied by 15. And you very well know about that. The value 2 to the power of 10 is equals to 1024. So we replace this value here, and it will becomes 1024 whole square is multiplied by 15. And now we break this square as in this form. This is 1024 multiplied by 1024 multiplied by 15. So we need to multiply these three bigger numbers. But you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. So that's why we need to do all of the working here. And now we break the this term 1024 as this is 1024. We break this value as 1000 plus 20 plus 4, and its resulting answer is multiplied by 15. And now we multiply 1024 separately on these three values, and we have, when we multiply 1024 with 1000, we just write these three zeros here, and it will becomes 1024, and here we write these three zeros. In the same pattern, we multiply this one bigger number with these two numbers. So when we multiply 0 with this complete number, we get 0, and 2 times this number equals to 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, and 2 1s are 2. And plus, in the same pattern, we multiply 4 with this number and we get here 4 4s are 16. We write 6 and carry 1, and 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 becomes 9. 4 zeros are 0, and 4 1s are 4. So we need to first sum up all these three values, and its resulting answer is multiplied by this 15. So here first we sum up all these three values and we get this is 0 plus 0 plus 6 becomes here 6, and this 0 plus 8 becomes 8. 8 plus 9 becomes 17. We write 7 and carry 1. This is 0 plus 4 becomes 4. 4 plus 0 becomes 4. 4 plus 1 becomes here 5. Further we have 4 plus 0 becomes 4. 4 plus 4 becomes 8. We write it here. And next we have 2 plus 2 becomes 4, and here we cannot any number, so we write 4. And at the last we have this is 0 and 1. So we get here this is 1048576, and this summation number is multiplied by this 15, and we break this 15 as 10 plus 5. And in the next step, we multiply this bigger number on both of these two values, and when we multiply this number with 10, so it will be written as here we just add this 0 here and we obtain 1048576 and 0, plus when we multiply this number with 5 we get here 5 6 30. We write 0 and carry 3. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 3 becomes 38. We write 8 and carry 3. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3 becomes 28. We write 8 and carry 2. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 2 becomes 42. We write 2 and carry 4. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4 becomes 24. We write 4 and carry 2. 5 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2 becomes 2, and 5 ones are 5. So here in the final answer we need to sum up both of these two values and we get our final destination. This is 0 plus 0 becomes 0. 6 plus 8 becomes 14. We write 4 and carry 1. 7 plus 8 becomes 15. 15 plus 1 becomes 16. We write 6 and carry 1. So 5 plus 2 becomes 7. 7 plus 1 becomes 8. And 8 plus 4 becomes 12. We write 2 and carry 1. This is 4 plus 2 becomes 6. 6 plus 1 becomes 7. And 0 plus 5 becomes 5. And at the last we have this is 1. So finally we have 157288640. This is the final simplified form of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.